All my dishes, and then this is all the stuff I cooked yesterday. My stove is looking crazy. And then my son down here, all his pots and pans, just knocking everything over. What am I gonna do? What am I going to do? But yeah, just cleaning. Yesterday I made birria tacos, nachos, and rotel dip. So good. I was gonna put the birria tacos in the what is that? In my crock pot, but it would have took too long, and I didn't feel like waiting. So I did it on the stove. That's all I hear all day is Miss Rachel. Anybody else listen to Miss Rachel all day? Because I do. Anybody else 1-year-old is having temper tantrums too? Because I need help. This boy, I thought Terrible 2 started at 2. His just started at 1. Like, what is the problem? Look at him. Okay, y'all see. Look at him. What are you doing? What are you doing over here? Huh? Hi. Yes, say hi. Come on. Y'all see him? He just did everything. Like, I don't know what it is. Anytime you see any of them bottles stand up. You gotta go over and knock it down. Like, Cassidy's like, why? Like, why are you knocking it down? You say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. This boy. And now he gone. He's so funny. Okay, we are cooking with fire, y'all. Got, we can't see. Yes, all clean. Now just the stove. Yeah, just the stove now. That look better, don't it? Yeah, clock the tea. Pan left to do, but I'm just gonna let that soak because it's kind of too hard to get it off right now. So I'm just gonna let that soak completely. But I am completely done, and I thank you all for watching and joining and giving me some love. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. I'll holler.